Clearwater, Florida, is known for its sunny weather, warm temperatures, and coastal breezes. While the climate offers plenty of perks, it also presents challenges for homeowners looking to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures without breaking the bank on energy costs. One effective solution for balancing comfort, style, and energy efficiency is the installation of double-hung windows. These versatile windows are ideal for Clearwater's climate, providing numerous benefits tailored to the area's unique conditions. Enhanced ventilation for optimal comfort. One of the standout features of double-hung windows is their ability to provide customizable ventilation. Both the upper and lower sashes can be opened, allowing you to control airflow in your home. This feature is particularly useful in Clearwater, where warm temperatures can linger even in the evenings. By opening the top sash to release warm air while letting cooler air enter through the bottom sash, you can naturally cool your home and reduce the need for air conditioning. Double-hung windows are also perfect for taking advantage of Clearwater's coastal breezes. Their design enables you to maximize airflow while keeping your home comfortable and fresh. Superior insulation for year-round energy saving. Double-hung windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Modern models often feature insulated glass, low emissivity, low-E coatings, and advanced weather stripping to prevent air leaks and minimize heat transfer. These features are essential for Clearwater homeowners, where high humidity and intense sunlight can increase indoor temperatures and strain cooling systems. Low-E coatings, in particular, are a game-changer. They reflect heat, producing UV rays away from your home while allowing natural light to brighten your space. This helps maintain a comfortable indoor environment without overburdening your HVAC system. Reduced energy costs. For Clearwater residents, the energy-efficient design of double-hung windows translates directly to savings on utility bills. By reducing heat gain in the summer and maintaining consistent indoor temperatures, these windows lower the demand on air conditioning systems. Over time, the cost savings can offset the initial investment in high-quality double-hung windows, making them a financially smart choice. Additionally, many energy-efficient double-hung windows qualify for rebates and incentives through local utility companies, adding another layer of financial benefit. Protection against Clearwater's weather extremes. Clearwater's coastal location means residents must contend with storms, heavy rains, and high humidity levels. Double-hung windows are built to withstand these challenges, especially when made with durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum-clad wood. Modern designs feature tight seals and impact-resistant glass options, ensuring your home is protected from water intrusion and strong winds. For added peace of mind, many double-hung windows include advanced locking systems that secure both sashes in place, providing an extra layer of protection during stormy weather. Minimized maintenance for busy homeowners. The ease of maintenance is another reason double-hung windows are perfect for Clearwater's climate. Thanks to their tilt-in sashes, cleaning both the interior and exterior glass panes is simple and can be done from inside your home. This is a valuable feature for multi-story houses or properties with hard-to-reach windows, saving time and effort. In Clearwater, Where salt air and humidity can lead to buildup on window surfaces, the ability to easily clean your windows is a major advantage. Improved indoor air quality. Clearwater's climate can sometimes result in high indoor humidity levels, which contribute to mold and mildew growth. With proper ventilation provided by double-hung windows, you can improve air circulation and reduce excess moisture in your home. This contributes to healthier indoor air quality, which is especially important for families with allergies or respiratory concerns. Stylish and customizable design. In addition to their practical benefits, double-hung windows are highly versatile and complement a wide range of architectural styles. Whether you own a traditional coastal cottage or a modern home in Clearwater, you can customize double-hung windows with various frame materials, colors, and finishes to suit your aesthetic preferences. Increased home value. Energy-efficient upgrades are among the top features that buyers look for in homes, and double-hung windows are no exception. Installing these windows not only improves your home's energy performance but also boosts its resale value. Prospective buyers in Clearwater will appreciate the combination of style, durability, and cost-saving benefits that double-hung windows provide. Conclusion: a perfect fit for Clearwater homes. Double-hung windows offer a winning combination of energy efficiency, ventilation, durability, and style, making them an ideal choice for Clearwater's unique climate. By installing these windows, homeowners can enjoy lower energy bills, improved comfort, and a healthier indoor environment, all while enhancing the beauty and value of their property. For Clearwater residents looking to make their homes more energy efficient and resilient to the challenges of coastal living, double-hung windows are a smart investment. Whether you're upgrading your current windows or planning a new build, these versatile windows are a perfect fit for the demands of this sunny, vibrant city.